Actually, I started my journey in 2018, 2017, you can say, early 2017. Before that, I was post-graduated from Osmania University, and then after I came to a company called Pronto. There they gave me the opportunity to work with their team, and they trained me there. And also I was trained for 2 3 months outside of the organization. Finally, I was called for interview, and they asked me some question related to their work actually, and the course I was prepared for. They asked some question, and by God, by any luck or by any chance, I got selected in that company. And then after working of 1 year of in that previous company, I moved to Gurgaon, and I got selected in EY, and from 2018 to till date I am working for EY Ernest and Young.
Okay, fine. Next question, please.
Do you have a daughter?
Yeah,
Do
I
you
have
have any
1 year
daughter?
of daughter. Yeah, I have 1 year of daughter.
What do you want to your daughter to be in future?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely not planned yet, but 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 I will make her to be a good person first,
Yeah.
and then I'll try my best to become her a successful person in his career. And definitely I'll ask her interest actually, either she wants to go in engineering or the medicine line, and based on her interest I will decide where she wants to go, and then I will give him a free path, so she can move here and there, and she can choose her own goal.
Okay. You are
Actually.
good father. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
I will
Next
not
question, please.
pressurize her to become this. I will give him the opportunity to select whatever she wants.
Yes. Next question, please.
Ambu sir, okay, so you tell me how do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes.
Your birthday, your daughter.
तो ये सबसे पूछ रहे थे ना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन
Okay.
How do I celebrate my birthday? Yes, this is your question. I remember, last time I did not celebrate birthday because of the corona pandemic, but before last year I celebrated the birthday very, we can say, in good manner. This birthday was arranged in my office actually, in my flat where I used to live. Like, I used to live in Delhi, and I used to go for Gurgaon. Between Delhi and Gurgaon, two places I celebrated my birthday in 2019. Yeah, it was 2019, and the birthday was really good because it was happened with my manager, my seniors, my team leads, and my colleagues. So they give me the pleasant surprise to have this birthday, and they arranged the cake. I had to do nothing. They arranged the cake. I went to the office, just cut the cake and celebrated. And once I came back to my flat, and there was also an arrangement from my friend's side. So we can say one birthday but two cakes.
Okay.
This is a specialty of
Okay,
my
next
birthday.
question, please. Hello.
Can you explain what is the dark side of our society?
Yes.
अरे भाई, ये तो मिस यूनिवर्स वाला क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया। Dark side of our society. Dark side of our society, which I observed, which I see, people are not literate. Actually, they are not more focused on their education. They are focused on their daily basis, like waking up, going for the work, and as we are living in a society, there are most of the people are comes from the labor background.
Yeah.
Actually, 50% we can say. So I would finally say this is the dark side of our society. People are not going for the education side. does I make your
Okay, fine. Next one, please. Here.
How did you learn English?
Yes. How did I learn English? Actually, I'll tell from the beginning. I was just like a person who cannot speak. Like everyone, though who start their career by learning the Hindi mediums, and like 10th was passed. I passed my 10th by Hindi medium, intermediate also Hindi medium. Then I moved for my graduation. There I saw the people, they are speaking and reading and whatever they want, they are doing in English. I was very shocked and surprised. If they can speak, why can I not?
Yes.
If they can do, I saw the people who comes from the CBSE background, they were very fluent, they were very confident. And by seeing them, I inspired by them, and by listening and communicating with someone can improve our English like mine. Yes. So I will suggest you guys also, if you get time, if you get the free time, then possibly you try to listen. If you listen around 2 or 3 hours of daily English, then it will make the drastically change in your English spoken. Yeah, try whatever the medium is, like YouTube. As I remember, you said you don't have mobile, but try to utilize your father's mobile or your family's, anyone's mobile. Listen some videos, conversation, and I'll suggest one thing for everyone. Please do concentrate on pronunciation. This makes a difference from other. Bihari pronunciation is not that much of, we can say, but try to learn the things from watching the videos or listening the native speaker, those who speak English by birth, like Americans, UK people, yeah, British.
Okay.
What is your hobby?
Actually, I think I wanted to become a successful software engineer, and by the God grace I am.
Yes.
So that is your, like, what is your passion?
Passion, you can say, in evening I play badminton and carom. These two things I love actually. Yes.
And on the daily basis.
Daily, every day. If I miss my work, then also I will play badminton.
And in raining season, like what is like in raining season?
एक्चुअली रेनी सीजन कोई भी लाइक नहीं करता बारिश की वजह से. If they had to go out.
And as well as summer season.
Summer, yes, I like summer season. Liking the summer season just because of one reason. People, those they cannot afford the blanket and the room, packed room, they can also be saved in summer. Poor people can also survive. Those who are living or those who are sleeping on footpath, they can also happily live their life in summer.
What,
fine.
like, what?
Stop. Please look, sir. Sit down. And next is
Next, Dr. Shreya Pillai.